Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. In this video, we will tell you about a Chrome extension that helps you to browse search engine results more faster. You will find search results on one page and no need to move to second or third page. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Search the extension Autopagerize Chrome Extension. Here is the result, or search it on Chrome Web Store. Here is the extension. Add this extension. Let's read some more about this extension. A browser extension, the auto-loading paginated web pages. Autopagerize used in many websites and provide efficiently web browsing. This is how it looks like. Extension is installed now. Here is the icon of the extension. Options, site info. Here is the web page of this extension. Extension is available for Firefox, Chrome, Safari and others. Let's search some results. Here it shows results about Android. From here it shows the page 2 results. No need to go to other page. Page 3 result. Page 4 result. If we switch off the extension and refresh the page, you have to go to second page for more results, which take more time. So you see how this extension helps you to browse on search engine more fastly. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.